Medicine doesn't stand still. New evidence, new guidelines, new diagnostic criteria, new ways of thinking. So why should your preparation stay the same? Introducing PrepLadder NEET SS Medicine version 5.0, a new standard for NEET SS Medicine preparation. Learn every major domain from DM specialists who practice it, because every specialty demands a different way of thinking. Grounded in Harrison's 22nd edition with the latest concepts relevant to present-day medicine, current diagnostic criteria, updated management approaches, recent guidelines, and contemporary clinical evidence. For NEET SS Medicine, version 5.0 brings learning, practice, revision, and testing together. Comprehensive when you have the time, flexible when you don't. Everything you need for NEET SS Medicine built into one focused learning ecosystem. Medicine has moved forward. Your preparation should too. PrepLadder NEET SS Medicine version 5.0. Coming soon.